Let's join with me to paint. Today's painting we are going to see a beautiful sunset scenery. Because of this painting I am choosing the colors of Pitala blue, crimson red, cobalt blue and lemon yellow. I am using Farbra size 18 and moist the brush and picking some of pitala blue and apply top of the canvas board and blend it like this. And next layer I am giving lemon yellow and third layer I am giving the crimson red. Before that, if you are the beginner, try to learn the basic how to blend and how to make easy trees. All the videos are available for beginners in my channel. This all will help you to improve your skills in paintings. And day by day I will upload Skillshare video for beginners in paintings. These kind of videos will help the paintings lot and improve your skills in paintings. Keep watching, keep following and more importantly keep practicing. And the next step we are going to give the seashore effect. So I am picking some of burnt sienna and I am using the same flat brush and I am giving the seashore effect like this as I am doing. Okay, I finished the first background. Next go to the sea effect. So here also first I am picking little bit of pitala blue and I am giving the sea effect like this. And next layer I am giving the cobalt blue. And just blend like this and mix the colors together. Already I uploaded the video for beginners, just you go and check it. It's very useful for beginners and how to blend using two colors and multicolors blending and different kinds of blendings. The video is available on my YouTube channel. Here I am showing the masking tab. It's very useful for beginners. It's removable once. We can use this making lines and differentiate two colors for all the purpose. We can use this. So I am using the masking tab here too. Then after that I am applying the crimson red and lemon yellow for the sky background. See here, when I remove this masking tab, you were able to see the differentiate the lines and red and blue. video, Mixing Colors with Fats for Completely Beginner's Guide. What is the primary colors? What is the secondary color? How to handle the brush? What are the brushes are there? And how to paint with the mixing colors. These kind of videos will help the beginners lot and improve your skills in paintings. And day by day I will upload the videos for beginners, tips and tricks and skill share too. Subscribe my channel for upcoming amazing videos. Thanks for watching.